What is seen is not the thing itself, but the meeting point of light and sense. Waves moving through silent space, waiting for the eye to open wide. What is heard is not the sound alone, but the tuning of the inner ear. Some currents pass unnoticed, some arrive when we are clear. Align the inner field, and the truth comes into view. Nothing changes in the world, the change is moving through you. Past and future flow together, hidden in a single stream. What appears as far away lives inside the unseen rain. Focus draws the path upward, as desire once pulled us down. One direction shapes the journey, one clear point turns us around. Align the inner field, and the truth comes into view. Nothing changes in the world, the change is moving through you. As the seeker becomes still, the eternal draws near.